Welcome to YouTube, it's your girl Mikimolly, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I straighten my hair. Okay, so these are the products I use when straightening my hair. I'm gonna tell you guys the steps I take before straightening. So this is just me prepping to straighten my hair. Okay, so firstly I shampoo my hair twice. I then follow up with the infrared treatment, and I leave that on for like 10 minutes while I shower or whatever, and then I rinse it out. And yeah, that's basically how I prep my hair before blowing it out and flat ironing it. So that's literally all I do in the shower. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the Chi Total Protect on my hair to blow it out. Okay, so now I just section off my hair in like small pieces so it's easier to blow dry it. And when I'm blow drying my hair, I mostly use the tension method. I really want to learn how to use like the round brush method like they do at salons, but I just don't know how to do that yet, and it looks like it takes so much technique. But I'm gonna learn it because I feel like it will give me an even better blowout, and like my hair would just be more detangled after my blowout if I knew how to do it with the round brush. But I'm gonna get into it. Okay, so this is the amount of product I use on one section of my hair, and yeah, I'm just trying to get that into it, and then I'm just gonna get straight into blow drying. Like, blow drying takes so long. It took me so many hours to do my hair. I thought it would take like 3-4 hours to do my hair, but honestly it was like 6 hours. I don't know why it took so long. I don't know why, because I started so early and I ended it so late. It was treacherous. But yeah, you guys are gonna see my face throughout this video. Like, you're gonna see me low-key hating every moment of this. Low-key hating every moment, but I do love doing my hair, but it's just so frustrating when it's taking hours upon hours. But I got it done, so it's fine. But yeah, so this is me still blow drying, guys. I'm gonna be blow drying for a while, but yeah, I'm trying to get my hair as straight as possible because my hair is like really curly. It has a lot of shrinkage. Like, my hair shrinks so much, so blow drying my hair is like a really big deal because I have to get all those curls out, and my hair is like, it's really curly. Like, the curls are just, I don't know, so much shrinkage. But yeah, I'm doing all of that, and I'm taking it section by section. It's like my hair got thicker. Like, I have so much more hair now than I used to have before. I don't even know what's happening, but it took me so much longer to do my hair than usually. Like, it was wild. It was so wild. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys keep watching and see how it's do the do.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on a love or a favor. On some petty love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck
2,000 years later.
Yup, I'm still flat ironing the blow drying, not flat ironing. I'm still blow drying the hair. I still haven't even got to the flat iron process, but we'll be getting there in a second because I'm finally at the front of my hair. So yeah, that means we have like just a few more sections of blow drying before we get over this process. So yeah, bear with me, guys.
Well, like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it wrong, then it becomes so true. There ain't no other than me, and only you. Every time with what you go, I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be down.
Yo, hear me out. Everybody do that dance and nasty, but them nasty. Fix things, quick things. Repeat. When all right then, from you see me the cleanest. Those when me rocking and the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with this pink silicone and real best.
Okay, guys, so yeah, we finally started flat ironing the hair. Finally. Okay, so I'm just trying to use my tail comb to get out the extra knots that I didn't get out while blow drying, and then I just try to comb through my hair as just detangle it as much as possible, and then I go in with the flat iron. And I was actually doing one pass on my hair. I kind of wish I did two because my hair has been flatter. It would just been like super duper straight, but it came out straight. But I feel like my hair usually comes out straighter when I do like two passes. So next time I flat iron my hair, I'll definitely probably be doing two passes just because I want my hair super flat. But it came out pretty straight, I'm not even gonna lie. One pass was good enough. Yeah. But yeah, I usually like to do at least two passes along the length of the hair. So yeah, I didn't do that, but everything worked out fine regardless. And the flat iron process was so much quicker than the blow drying. But I mean, obviously, because the hair is now pretty detangled, I just kind of have to go through it with the tail comb and just flat iron it. It was so much easier. But blow drying, oh my gosh, blow drying is not for the faint of heart. But yeah, we just keep watching my video, guys, and you'll see the finished process, the finished look in a bit, basically right now. So yeah, thanks for watching my video, guys. Please don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe, and yeah, hit the notification bell and be notified when I post videos. Bye, guys.
That's the way it was. You was good on the low.